Design ideas for white bathrooms using both dark and light colors. Skip the bright colors and embrace the elegant simplicity of white. Bathrooms have a fresh appearance and a calming atmosphere thanks to this bright neutral. With the help of white and other bright neutral colors, you can create a sparkling space in your bathroom. White bathroom with a black finishing touch. Even white bathrooms can be interesting. Make yours stand out by filling your palette with contrasting colors. This bathroom's use of black and white gives it all the interest it needs to be stylish. White bathroom with wooden shades. White bathrooms can be given complexity and interest without the use of color by using wood tones. There are numerous color schemes for modern bathrooms, but few are as popular right now as the wood and white color scheme. Gold faucets in a white bathroom. Pure white's crispness contrasts beautifully with the gold shower, faucet, and fixture. Modernized gold fixtures are the newest style in luxurious bathrooms. We are no longer limited to the dull, outdated polished brass. Pure white with shades of natural color. A white tub and vanity, along with bright white walls, create the ideal backdrop for experimenting with other shades. Check out these organic, green plants. The addition of natural color from nature gives this bathroom a more natural and peaceful feel. Additionally, an impressive tile pattern will accent your bathroom. Natural white. In a bathroom with exquisite architectural details, bright colors are unnecessary. Here, a magnificent tub covered in white subway tiles coexists with a triangular amazing bathroom with a natural theme. This glamorous room's height is visually lowered by the addition of a wood floor to a cozy level, emphasizing a stunning bathtub. A superb outcome makes bathroom improvements always worthwhile. Continue to improve your home in the way that you find most appealing and fulfilling. We only have one place where we feel comfortable, and that is home. We cannot get that feeling anywhere else. Thanks for watching.